We are in Sheraton Vistana family. This is the place. We got the sink there. Wife is getting ready. This is your kitchen. This is your kitchen. This is nice. Very nice, very nice. You got the little joint over here. The laundry room. Where that light at? Bang. Woo. Leave you a little something.
Don't touch nothing. I got some pigment.
Jesus. Ready to go off with the flower, boy. Tell you. The room. Nice table here. This is cool. This is family. Daughter cleaning down. I see you. Wipe it down. Son over there. It's the couch. This is a 1-bedroom. I think this is sweet. Is this your room? Yo! Joint nicer than I thought, y'all. Come on in here, people. Y'all see this room here? What's this? Oh, man, got a jacuzzi. Nah. This is nice. This is nice, people. Wow. Wow. And you come through that way. Come on through. Cut the light on. Click the light so they can see. Oh. Shower. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. LED thing. Look at that, man. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah. Got this one. Own little bathroom. See that? Air comes on right away. So you can cool your poop. Tissue. There we go. Cut the air off. Light off. Wow. Little jacuzzi. Let's see. All right, that's working. Water working. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Nice little art up there. The Sheraton Vistana, if I'm saying it right. The headboard, nice bed, TV, LG, probably 47, something like that, 49. Nice. Wow. Ooh, even the dresser is nice. Wow, okay. Nice little art on the wall. Sheraton Vistana. Oh, we got a little closet. Okay, extra little comforter. We got that safe. Put your money in there. If you bring $1 million with you. It's an old lady walker. Nah, I'm just playing. So this is the room, y'all. This is the room. This is the room. This is the room. This is the room. Family in the spot. Yeah. You got this little thing here. Chill out. Sun in the building. Daughter cleaning. Ah, another closet. This is nice, man. Got your vacuum, ironing board, and your iron, your hangers. You got sneakies. What are you doing? Being nosy. Yes, there's another room. Mind your business. It's called conjoining rooms. Conjoining. So there you go, y'all. So this is it. This is it, people. I forgot to add, there is a dishwasher on the bottom, on the right side. There you go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, y'all. It was good. So gave y'all a tour. If you think about staying here, I will. It's a go. It's a go. This door here leads to somebody else's room. So if you got a big family, y'all could do the double room. Open this up, come through from that side to that side. Got your little thermy, statty. Yeah. It's your boy Friendly, man. I'm out. Vacation with the fam. Everybody need a getaway. Everybody needs a getaway. All right, y'all. Y'all enjoy y'all summer. It's just begun. One last tour of the room. There you go. There you go. We are in the process of wiping down everything. Wiping down everything. There you go. All right. Peace out, people. People, I forgot the last masterpiece. We got a balcony. We got a balcony. Look at this. Oh, Lord, we could come out here and eat and stuff. Oh, they gave you a ceiling fan on the balcony. Balcony, the terrace, whatever you want to call it. I see the lake. People out there, these are the other homes. I don't know how good y'all can see that. There we go. But y'all can see that weather. That weather ain't messing with us today, man. See the angels up there running? Look, right over there. See them right there? See them running? Look at that, man. Look at that. Got the pool back there. Try to get closer. Yeah, man. Vista. Vistana. Vistana. You better stay here. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. There we go. We on the 4th floor. We are on the 4 feet of the floor. Let's try to zoom in for y'all. There go the pool. Guess who's in the pool? The water. That's it. Nobody else. Just the water. Just the water. No one else is in the pool but the water. There we go. Get a little piece of that. See that little thing there? Little sprinkler. Yeah, it's nice. So they got these, right? We usually go away. We got the bugs flying in. Want to eat what you eating. Asking what time it is. Nah, bugs, we ain't playing that. So y'all can see is a screen. There's a mesh screen right there. Alright. That's what's up. Keep the bugs out. So there you go. It's a nice place, man. Y'all can see the room from this angle. This is a nice space. Don't get me lying with the feet and all that. On the camera, it's gonna look small, but this is nice. See, I'm in the corner. See all this corner? And you ain't see my feet yet. You see that? I'm in the corner. So think of that. Look at that. See? This is nice, man. You had to keep it lower hood, man. He got a lower hood review. But it's all good. Y'all understand me, man. It's New York to me, man. Shout out to Orlando. This is nice. This is nice, man. Bring your family here, man. You got kids, 1-bedroom suite. It's perfect. 2-bedroom suite. You ballin'. Ballin'. Nah, I tried to book that, but Daddy messed up and missed it, man. So that one is on me. But the kids is chilling. They in chill mode. Y'all good? Y'all Gucci or y'all Polo?
Gucci.
All right, there they Gucci. All right. Wife cleaning everything. She's not playing. What I'm about to do, I'm about to holler at this bacon, egg, and cheese. You see that? There we go. Shout out the Planes crew. Shout out to Air Force One. You know we had to do it brand new, all white for the trip. Yeah. This dude wanted Jordans, man. I don't know why, but he wanted Jordans, man. The ones. All good, though. But enjoy myself, man. Rest in peace, Gramps. Love you, baby. All right. Blessings to everyone. Enjoy life. Appreciate the good people in your life. All right? Appreciate the good people in your life. 100. Friendly. All of them. See ya. Shh. Bacon, egg, and cheese. The villas. All group. Y'all can see the pool. This is the pool. Yeah. People in the pool. There we go. See all the villas. Got the mesh fence around the park. So this is us walking through. There we go. It's a little preview of the Villy. So this is it. We got rain all week, so kids went to the pool early. See them clouds starting. Yep. So this is the garage. We're on the 23 side. So this is it. This is it. Yep. So y'all can see this place is big, man. Yep. This is it. Vistana. Whoa, BMW man. Right. So here we go. This is it. You got all the rooms. Come right here. The staircase over there. They do have an elevator. Okay. My man in the cart. So as you can see, that's how it is. Vistana. Yep. All right. All right. All right. All right. So this is the other part. We just came from the pool back there. Supposed to be a pool down there. It's 3 pools. So this is the entrance. The entrance. Yeah. So yep, this is it, man. Come stay at Vistana, Orlando, Sheraton. All right. Here we go. This is the elevator. 1. Right down there. 2. So we'll see y'all people. Till next time. Bye bye.